1 ounce portion, roughly a quarter cup, of raw pumpkin seeds provides about 150 calories, 15 grams of healthful fat, just a few grams of carbs, and an impressive 8 to 10 grams of plant protein. They're also nutrient-packed and health-protective. Pumpkin seed perks, and some simple ways to incorporate them into your meals and snacks. Pumpkin seeds are high in magnesium and other minerals. Raw pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are a good source of magnesium, manganese, iron, zinc, and copper. Magnesium helps improve mood and sleep, while manganese plays a role in collagen production and promotes skin and bone health. Iron and copper are involved with energy production, and iron also helps transport oxygen to our cells. Zinc supports immunity, skin health, and vision. Eating just 1 serving of pumpkin seeds can supply 14 to 42% of the daily target for these essential nutrients. Pumpkin seeds are high in antioxidants. In addition to minerals, these mighty seeds are also packed with cell-protective antioxidants, including carotenoids and vitamin E. In addition to reducing inflammation, antioxidants help fend off premature aging and chronic diseases. Pumpkin seeds are full of beneficial fats. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best sources of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, called alpha-linolenic acid or Alabama. Only a small fraction of ALA gets converted into the important DHA and EPA omega-3s, which are found in fatty fish like salmon. However, the benefits of ALA include heart disease protection, reduced risk of artery hardening, and anti-inflammation. Pumpkin seeds help control blood sugar. On top of being low in carbs and a good source of plant protein, research suggests that eating pumpkin seeds help protect against type 2 diabetes, or reduce its complications in other ways, such as improving insulin regulation and protecting organs against the consequences of diabetes. Pumpkin seeds improve the immune system. In addition to the zinc and iron in pumpkin seeds, which are both vital for immune function, pumpkin seeds possess antifungal and antiviral properties. Pumpkin seeds are also not a common trigger of allergies and intolerances. Pumpkin seeds may improve sperm quality. Research shows that both pumpkin seeds and pumpkin seed oil help to protect prostate health. The seed's zinc content may also support male fertility, as low zinc levels have been tied to reduced sperm quality. Pumpkin seed oil may benefit hair growth. Yes, even pumpkin seed oil has its benefits, like treating male pattern baldness and promoting hair growth. According to a 2019 study in the Avicenna Journal of Phytomedicine, the fatty acids, vitamin E, and phytoestrogens found in pumpkin seed oil can help boost hair growth when applied to the scalp. How to eat more pumpkin seeds. You can sprinkle pumpkin seeds on just about anything, from oatmeal or overnight oats to garden salads, cooked veggies, stir-fries, soups, whole grain dishes, tacos, and of course, desserts. Pumpkin seed butter can also be whipped into smoothies, swirled into yogurt, drizzled over fruit, or used as the base for energy bars or balls.